Hello everyone, welcome to Sources Classes. So in this video again we will be continuing our discussion with questions from the HSEE 2019 paper, and the question that we will be trying to solve in this video is from the quantitative aptitude section, question number 50 of the overall paper. We'll take a look at the question and try to understand the approach as well so that we can get a general idea about the proceedings. Okay, so having said that, let's just focus on the question. 6 years ago, the age of Ali was 4 times that of Bali, and the age of Cali was 2 times that of Bali. So if the present age of Bali is 1.5 times the present age of Cali, then find the present age of Bali. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let present age of Cali equals to X. Therefore, present age of Ali is 1.5x. Okay, using this point. Now, 6 years ago, Ali's age would be 1.5x minus 6. Cali's age would be x minus 6, and Bali's age what do we have here? Age of Cali was 2 times that of Bali. Okay, 2 times that of Bali, so that would mean x minus 6 by 2. This will be Bali's age, because this is 2 times Cali's age is 2 times Bali's age. Another relation that we have here, Ali was 4 times that of Bali. So therefore we can write Ali's age 6 years ago, 1.5x minus 6 is equal to 4 times. So 2 gets cancelled, so 2 into x minus 6. Okay, so 1.5x minus 2x is equal to, this will be 12 minus 6, so minus 6. So x is nothing but 12. Okay, so now we need present age of Bali. So Bali's this age, Bali's present age would simply be Bali's 6 year ago age plus 6. Okay, so this is what we have. So 6 year ago age for Bali is this one. So we'll write 12 minus 6 by 2 plus 6. That is, this is 3 by 2, so 9 years. Which is our answer. Should be. So I hope this question is clear to you, as in the approach and all. So with that said, we've come to the end of the video. We'll continue discussion of the similar sort of questions in the subsequent video, where we'll try and cover more questions from the particular paper. So having said that, I'll be signing out. So thank you so much.